Whitelisting an email address will ensure that all emails sent to you from the specific person or sender are not sent to spam. And this can help you prevent yourself from missing out on important communication. So how do you do that? First, you want to log into your Google account. Then once you're on that page, you just click on Gmail and then load the mailing page. Now, once you're on the mailing page, you want to go to the settings option here and expand see all settings. On this section, you go to the filters and blocked addresses, for instance. Now, in this case, you will need to create a new filter. This new filter will include the email address that you want to whitelist or that you never want to use emails for. So once you're on this section here, down here, you're going to go to create a new filter. Now, on the from section, we're going to just type the email address that you do not want to use emails for. Let me say, for instance, I do not want to use emails from my work email. Then I enter that. I do not have to enter the to or subject or anything. I just want to come here and click on create filter. Now once I'm in this section, this is where now the most important thing happens. In this section, I need to scroll down and select never send to spam. This option ensures that any email sent to you does not go to the trash or the spam folder. So you will always see it and it will be marked as important as well if you choose the mark as important. Now, once you've done that, you can tap on create filter. And that will ensure that all emails that come from this address here, you can see that as it has been indicated here, all emails from this address should never be sent to spam and should be marked as important. So if I go to my inbox and I send an email to this contact here, if I send an email to my personal email address, it will be marked as important and it will never go to the spam folder, which is usually minimized and you don't see anything from it. So that's how you whitelist an email and ensure that you lose any important communication.